The Wild honored Eric Staal for recently reaching the 1,000 game plateau, fittingly with his former Hurricane team in town, with whom Staal played 909 of those games. As for Carolina, they had Brian Bickle in uniform as he played his first NHL game since his MS diagnosis back in November.
Tied up by Parise. Niederreiter supports. Niederreiter drops to Spurgeon to Staal, and a save by Ward.
What a nifty little play.
Staal for Parise. He scores!
The passing play here behind the back, then a chip pass to Spurgeon. It all culminated in the Wild staying on the forecheck, and then Eric Staal just finding Zach Parise on the back door here, and he makes no mistake inside the pipe. That's old-time hockey right there. The high cuff gloves.
Slavin ahead for Skinner into the Minnesota zone. Skinner centers, and they score. What a feed to Stempniak, who deflects it by Dubnyk. And the Hurricanes match the Parise goal. It's 1-1.
He's had a couple of looks in this game already, including a point-blank shot right there.
Dumba winds, fires, a deflected shot, they score! Schrader with his second in as many games, and the Wild are on top 2-1. And we'll see if he feels it here for the next 2 minutes with Erik Haula off on a delay of game penalty. Skinner fires and scores, and 3 seconds into the power play, Carolina has tied the game.
Had a couple of looks across the crease as well.
Staal has this one go just wide after Ward made a save on the first look. Spurgeon tees it up and fires. Rebound, Niederreiter scores!
This one catches bodies and just sweeps around, lands nicely in front of Nino Niederreiter. He just spins around.
Skinner with it along the side boards. Tip to the corner, Stempniak there, back to Skinner, a shot blocked by Suter. And the rebound loose, they score! And Carolina with just 6 shots on goal has fired up the red light 3 times.
He's done some wall sits this year, and he's ready for it.
Full on a drive, save, rebound! Coyle scores!
This one, he dives on the rebound and just tucks it home on the backhand.
Into the Carolina zone, drops to Pominville, a shot saved by Ward. He decides to keep it alive, and Hansel has it. Coyle to Pominville, and what a save by Ward!
Oh, it bounced off him, and he just grabs it with a what a save there by Ward. My goodness.
Been strong on pucks along the boards throughout. Referee went down in a heap in the corners. The Wild come out. Haula's in for Minnesota. Saved by Ward.
Right here gets a little chip shot and is unable to find the outside of the pad.
Ahead for Haula to the line, held by Pesce. Slavin winds and fires. Save Dubnyk. Pesce a shot pad. Save Dubnyk. Double teamed along the end boards. Wild defenseman content to hang back. But Parise's able to keep it alive. To Niederreiter, he scores!
A great pass. It puts it right into the area where Niederreiter just has to unleash one.
In their regular season home finale, the Wild clinch home ice in the opening round of the playoffs after a 5-3 victory over the Hurricanes. Nino Niederreiter played a big role, posting his 6th multi-goal effort of the season. Minnesota has